Hi, and welcome to this overview of the free trial for SAP Marketing Cloud. SAP Marketing Cloud brings together tools so you can understand and engage your customer in real time and on all channels like never before. The Profile Dashboard is your gateway to powerful insights into the interests and needs of your customers and prospects. Use it to pull everything into one place to create a unified view across all channels and devices. As you can see, it's all designed to help you understand what the customer is interested in and how they interact with you. For example, the Sentiment Engagement app shows you which topics are trending on social media and how you can act on them. Customer Journey Insight gives you a real-time view of the path to purchase or conversion, while you can identify the right audience for your next campaign by building target groups with the high-performance customer segmentation tool. Knowing your customer's intent, you can also reach them with personalized campaigns across all channels via the Content Studio and Campaign Designer. Measure the maturity and quality of those leads and then automatically transfer qualified leads directly to your sales pipeline. As we all know, transparency and planning are key to a successful campaign, and that's a real strength of SAP Marketing Cloud. With budget planning, live feeds on your spend, out-of-the-box reports that show the success of individual campaigns, and a complete overview of all of your campaigns through the marketing calendar, you have everything you need to plan and manage awesome campaigns. With new features being released regularly, it's also evolving in time with your business needs. It's the only product that supports the end-to-end marketing process from one central application. Now, if you haven't done it already, sign up for the free trial and see for yourself. We've preloaded it with data so you can have a play. And be sure to watch the other videos in this series which show key features in more detail.